Gaya spends $48 to buy books that cost X dollars each. Write down an expression in terms of X for the number of books Gaya buys. So this is pretty simple. They spend $48 to buy the entire book, and each book costs X rupees. So it's going to be 48 by X. This expression gives the number of books Gaya buys. Next, Myra spends $60 to buy books that cost X plus $2 each. Gaya buys 4 more books than Myra. Show that X squared plus 5X minus 24 equal to 0. Okay, let's try to understand the statement here first. They are trying to say that the number of books bought by Gaya is 4 more than Myra. So the expression is going to look like this. G is equals to 4 plus M. If G and M are the number of books bought by Gaya and Myra. So we know the number of books bought by Gaya is 48 by X. So let me just write it here, is equals to 4 plus the number of books bought by Myra is simply 60 by X plus 2. Now open the brackets, cross multiply. So 48 by X is equals to 4 into X plus 2 plus 60 divided by X plus 2. Here you can cross multiply now. So that would be 48 into X plus 2 is equals to X into 4X plus 2 plus X into 60. So that is 48X plus 2 is equals to 4X into X plus 2 plus 60X. Open the brackets and solve the sum. You get X squared plus 5X minus 24 is equals to 0. So this is the same expression as the one shown in the question. Next we have solve by factorization X squared plus 5X minus 24. Okay, so for factorization you need to split the middle term. How do you know how to split the middle term? Because 5X can be written as 3X plus 2X, or it can be written as 7X minus 2X, or it can be written as 4X plus X. So there are multiple ways of splitting 5X. So how do you know which one is correct? The way you know is just take the last term. Here you have 24, right? So find out all the multiples of 24. So that is 12 times 2, 6 times 4, so on and so forth. So figure out that which of these multiples will give you the value 5x either when they are added or subtracted. So for example, I can split 5x as 8x minus 3x. So I'm going to do just the same, 8x minus 3x minus 24 equal to 0. Now we can easily take the common terms. So that is x plus 8 minus 3 into x plus 8 equal to 0. That is x minus 3 into x plus 8 equal to 0. So x can be of two values. It can either be positive 3 or negative 8. Now find the number of books Myra buys. So for this you just need to take the value of x and substitute it in the equation. We already know that the number of books Myra buys is represented by the equation 60 by x plus 2, right? Now just substitute the value of x. Which value to substitute? Is it 3 or is it minus 8? Now x cannot be a negative value here, because if we take minus 8, we're going to get the answer in a negative, which is not possible for the number of books. It's always positive. So that's why we're going to take x equal to 3. So that's 60 by 3 plus 2, which is 60 by 5. That is equal to 12 books.